tangled chain, no matter how much you try. You get it fresh from the box, you carefully slide it out in hopes that it doesn't look like this, fully knotted. Now it's probably not going to do it. Alright, so I'm going to create a bunch of knots and loops and all this good stuff. I'm going to knot it right up real good, the most nightmare of things you've ever seen. Look at that, what a mess. How the hell do you get it apart? Well, first thing you do, pick a side, pick a loop. Get it to go out straight. Now, you can see, I've got several loops. I'm just going to try to straighten out a couple. There's my beginning. I have two choices here. This chain can either swoop around this way, or this one can swoop underneath. I'm going to swoop underneath. That one's undone. Let me find a better one. They're not going to knot up as bad as I want them to. Might have to get one of them new chains. Alright, here's a nest. Oh no, what do I do? Ooh, we've got a loop. We've got two loops. And they're going the same way. So how do you get it undone? Well, you can fight with it like that and create more loops. Actually, that's what you should do. Because in doing that, I've just undone it. A lot of people, like my father who taught me how to do this, he grabs a knotted chain and he just... You get practiced, you'll be able to unknot any chainsaw chain, no matter how bad it is. Including that ugly thing. Just grab it, give it a couple shakes. I've got two loops going the same way once again. Create a loop. Ta-da!